Did you ever think to make a Valentine card for someone that you're not romantically involved with, like your best friend, your children, or your granny? We're going to show you a card today that can be used for any of those occasions.
Just showing love anyway. So.
Yeah, a little bit of love.
Yeah.
As you can see, we have one finished there just beside Sheila. A few hearts instead of the flowers, or 4 flowers. So to start, we're going to need a blank greeting card, coloured paper. I have lovely coloured papers here. I got this book of really fancy design papers in Walmart for something like $3 or $4, very cheap.
Great selection.
A great selection inside in it. So we're going to use that for our coloured parts. So we'll start by making the vase. So you have your greeting card. Decide what height you want the vase to be, because if it's too big, you're going to find it difficult to fit all the little heart shapes in. So get a piece of paper and just fold over the edge. You have the right size already. And then a pen, get these, and draw half a vase shape on your paper. That's it. Now we'll just cut that out.
Mm-hmm.
Have a look at it and see if you like the shape that you cut. It's alright, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, we have some of the coloured paper, so we'll turn that over and put our vase shape on top of it. Draw around it. Always draw on the back, just to make sure that your pencil lines don't actually show on the front.
And you could always make your vase a little bit smaller or bigger when you're cutting it.
You could, of course.
Do you know, if you wanted it.
Yeah, if you weren't happy with
size.
it. Yep. And then we'll cut that out.
So we'll cut mine a little bit narrower.
Get your greeting card and place it on the right hand side. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to glue the vase on first before we put get something to protect the table. So a glue stick will do this job.
Put the glue all over every little bit of it, Maria, would you? Yeah.
You would, yeah, and
stick
particularly pay attention to the corners. And try and get it straight in the centre and press it down. Now we've already cut out our little heart shapes, and they were made the same way as we just made the vase. We had a little template like that, and we just cut out lots of little hearts. So what I'm going to do next is place the hearts on the card where you'd like them to be. Yeah, put the whole, position all of them. And some might overlap others as well. And if something overlaps, always glue the back one first, the one that's behind. And because they're pretending to be flowers, we need the bottom part to be facing the vase, because we're going to draw stems for them. Lots of flowers there. I think that's okay. And then we glue them on. So you start with the ones that are slightly behind. Push that in there. Sink one. When you're gluing, it's good not to push one heart down in the exact same space as you just did another one, because there probably will be a bit of glue there that would go in the front. Now, I'm going to draw some stems. I've got little markers here. I don't know which one you want.
I'll use this one. Change.
Just draw the stems into the...
Just into the vase.
Yeah. And if there's one coming from behind, you need to do the top little bit and then right down to the bottom as well. So you have the same amount of stems as you have flowers. And that's the front of my card done.
And I have
It might be nice to put even different coloured
stems. You could, yes, just for a little bit of variety.
Now, for inside your card, Valentine cards are supposed to be anonymous, so we'll turn the card over.
Right.
We've made a couple of little insets here. This one is a tag, like you would use for a gift tag, and I've just written to my best friend, Happy Valentine's.
Oh yes, you could put that
and a little bow on it. Would you like to use that one, Sheila, for yours?
Lovely,
Just a bit of glue in the back of it. And these ones here, I printed out a verse 3 times with different fonts on the computer and different thicknesses of print and different colours as well. So it says, roses are red, violets are blue, beautiful flowers just for you, with lots of love. So I'll choose one of those. I think I go for the one with the red on it.
Okay. And I'll put this one on.
And you just glue that on the inside of the card. I wonder will I get any this year?
I'm sure you will, Maria, like every year.
But sure, you're my friend, you can send me one.
I could. I should not send you this one because you already know it.
Now, just place that in there. Alright.
My mind looks lovely.
And then, yeah, and then just fold it over. And there's your cards ready
all
for
ready to go.
Valentine's.
Great, yeah.
Bye.